Access Orchestrate has helped in terms of creating a central data set for our schedule, so it's moved our schedule from a paperwork exercise into a digital workspace. That's been really important in terms of visualisation of workload and also for managing our resources as well. Jaguar Land Rover are on a journey of transformation at the moment. We are looking at how we deliver a sustainably rich vision of modern luxury through the products that we offer our customers. And vehicle operations within the business of JLR deliver the preparation for the vehicles to support the global launch activities for the House of Brands.
On a daily basis is that we load vehicles to a spreadsheet, we pull that data and load it into Orchestrate. This gives us then priority of vehicles that we need for the day, the week, the month and the year. We input the resource into Orchestrate and then we take that to give us the full utilisation of the vehicles against the resource that we have.
The improvements that we've made after implementing Access Orchestrate have been mainly around the short and medium term forecasting of resource and also of the workload that we have. It's brought more efficiencies in terms of how we schedule our vehicles through the workshop and how we best utilise our skill sets that we have available to us at JLR. So currently we use the metrics to track late vehicles. So we have very stringent end dates of requirements for our vehicles that we prepare, and we track vehicles to those end dates using the data that is held within Orchestrate. And recently we've moved to Access EVO, and we're hoping that we can use the analytical side of that software to further develop those KPIs and help us in the future. So we had a lot of work that was being done that was unplanned, that was required to deliver the vehicles that we prepare for the launch activities, but that data was never captured, and therefore understanding our efficiency was quite difficult.
With shop floor data capture, we use this by the group leaders of the workshop, logging on and off tasks for the operators to be able to know where they're at and what vehicles are and how long they've taken on the jobs and what their next tasks are to complete throughout the day, giving them a target and a goal for the day and the week.
We struggled with short-term, medium and long-term planning due to the flexibility that was required of us and the efficiencies that were expected of us in order to deliver those.
The Gantt chart gives us a great visual view of where we're at in terms of where the vehicles are at a stage in the process and where they've been passed through. Also then the prioritisation that it gives us in terms of what cars are next. It allocates the work clearly for each operator to be able to log on to.
Through JLR's Reimagine strategy, everybody at Jaguar Land Rover is being asked to try and do more with the resources that they currently have available to them. And one of those key points for JLR is to do more with the assets that we have from a vehicle perspective. And I think Access Orchestrate can help us do that in terms of better long-range forecasting.
Forecasting is a key benefit of the software in Orchestrate and in shop floor data capture. Also being able to add amendments during the process is key to help us being able to change our processes throughout the day. It also gives us no paper trail or any whiteboard needs, so we're able to be more transparent to the workshop.
The support and relationship from Access has been very good in terms of speed of response when we've raised technical issues, and we've recently also been appointed a customer success manager, Lily, so we're looking forward to working with her in more detail and understanding how the Access group can help us understand the more technical side of Orchestrate and what are the features the software set has to allow us to further those efficiencies and deliver some real easy wins for JLR.
I would recommend for a new company to start using Orchestrate, I'd recommend them to study all the manuals, to then also use the FlexiPoints system, which is excellent, to be able to further progress their department.